Now, open up your book for the topic Sarah's Diary on page number 38 and 39 and listen to it very carefully. It was holiday. Sarah was getting bored. She thought to have some fun. What if we go out and have a picnic? Thought Sarah. She went to her brother's room to share her idea. As she walked into the room, she saw Amir watching a video on his computer. What are you watching? Asked Sarah. I am watching a documentary on the historical places in Lahore, replied Amir as he took off his headphones. You seem busy. I was thinking to have a picnic, replied Sarah sadly. Don't you worry. We can go for a picnic after I finish watching this video, said Amir. That's nice. May I also listen to it? It seems really interesting, asked Sarah. Yes, sure. Have these headphones and enjoy the documentary, said Amir. Sarah watched the full documentary. It was really informative. She noted all the interesting facts in her diary. Let's see what she noted. Lahore is a popular tourist city. Lahore has many beautiful historical places such as Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, Shalimar Gardens, Jahangir's Tomb, Lahore Museum, Lahore Zoo, Food Street. Sarah planned to visit the Lahore Fort. She really liked its pictures. Now read the text once more by yourself. Sarah is watching a documentary and is getting a lot of information from it. We get an information from many sources such as books, cartoons, documentaries, newspapers, magazines, and the internet. Now let's do an activity. Use the internet and get information about your own city. Write it down on a loose sheet.